You probably spent a lot of time thinking about how your website looks, but just like a car, your website has to have a solid engine to make it perform. Today, we're talking about why your website code matters. Good code often leads to a better user experience. At the top of the list of what makes a good user experience is a fast load time. Fast load times help visitors find what they want without waiting. It's also critical for your mobile users, which are typically using slower connections with data limits. When programming the displays for a mobile user, doing things like using colors in place of images or omitting non-critical elements will drastically speed up your load time, and that makes your mobile visitors happy. On the desktop version, you want to make sure your images are compressed, you're using browser caching, and you don't have any script errors. You also want to make sure you're hosting your site with a reliable provider. If you're still using a cheap host, you should move to a fully managed service that has a scalable infrastructure and a team to handle your plugin updates and security. Having a security breach on your website will earn you one of these screens, and that's something nobody wants. Share more with Google by using schema markups. You can share information with Google that they can show on the search results page next to your listing. Schema markups can tell Google about customer feedback, your physical location, even identify special content like.
According to Hazen Law Group, clients frequently ask why powers of attorney are necessary for married couples.
But you can also tell Google about special content like a Q&A.
According to Strong Advocates, the statute of limitations for filing a sexual harassment claim with a DFEH is 1 year from the date of the most recent incident of harassment.
And finally, a well-programmed website is less likely to misbehave. Your website is a living thing that is always getting updated and expanded. If your website was hastily programmed, you're going to run into errors as you build out new pages and add new features. Some of these errors can result in broken links, missing elements, and other issues that ultimately erode the user experience. Remember, your website isn't just a picture, it's a machine.